Question number 13. An object is dropped from rest on the earth from a height of 2 meters. This is the earth. So you are dropping it from here from a height of 2 meters. Okay. And then the same object is dropped from rest on the moon from twice this height. Let me type this as h over here. From moon. This is earth. This is moon over here. And you're dropping it from a much larger height over here. Okay. So this is 2h. The acceleration of the free fall on the moon is approximately 16% of the value of the earth. What is being given? So here you give something like g moon is equal to 16%. I will write this as 0.16 times g earth. Okay. And then assume that there are no resistive forces, no atmosphere here. What is the speed of the object before hitting the surface of the earth and divided by the speed of the object just before hitting the surface of the moon? Okay. Compare the velocities before it hits the earth and as well as the moon. That's what is the question. So now what you do, if this is u equal to 0 because you are dropping, right? U equal to 0 both together. Now you need to find the v here. How do you find the v here? Simple. Use equations of motion because it's the equation of the acceleration is constant in each of these cases. So what I will do is on earth, let me write it for earth. V earth is equal to v square is equal to u square plus 2gh, right? U equal to 0. So I will get the answer as 2gh over here. In the second case, what happens? V moon square is equal to 2g moon into h over here. Okay, I'll write this as g earth if you want. Okay, now what do we have here? Now we need only the ratio of the speed of the object, which means I need the square root of this, right? Ve is equal to square root of 2geh and Vm is equal to square root of 2gm into h. 2gm into, see this h is 2 times h here, right? So this I should write this as 2h over here. Otherwise I would have made a mistake. So I make it as 2h over here. So therefore I'll divide one by the other. And when I divide one by the other, what do I get? Ve by Vm will now be equal to, just substitute this. This should be equal to square root of 2geh divided by 2gm into 2h. Now this h goes away. This 2 goes away. And now I am, what is it I am left out with? I am left out with ge divided by 2gm. That's what I am left out with, right? Now what is ge? Ge or gm? What is it we have found out already? We have given something here, right? Where is it? We have given that gm equal to 0.16 times g. Okay, let us substitute that also here. This should now be equal to, I'll write retain g here, and then this should be 2 into 0.16 times g. Okay, this and this goes away. So I am left out only with square root of 0.32. Now let us use our calculator to find out what is that value. So get this as root of 0.32. 0.32. Take the root of this. I get 0.565, and then I need to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal is here. I get this is 1.77, 1.76 or 1.77. 1.77 should be your answer. This is no unit. Let us find which is the closest one. 1.77 is closest to A. Thus, A is the right answer. Okay.